National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for central Cook County and north central Texas until 9:30 p.m. At 8:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southwest of Lindsay, or 10 miles southwest of Gainesville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lindsay around 9:05 p.m. Gainesville around 9:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Valley View. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and control at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.